Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos, blog posts, and newsletter, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. And I have a book that I recently published, the 2024 Divine Life and Home Planner. This planner will help you organize your life and home. So on this video, we are going to do an unboxing of several of these Amazon items that I received. I am an Amazon influencer and they send me things periodically, and it's actually my job to open them, test them out, and then review them. So I have a couple packages here that we're going to go ahead and open. If there is something that you would like to have a more in-depth review of, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll actually do a review video of that item. But for today, we're just going to open these bags up. First one is a box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is, I'm not going to open it up because I believe this is a gift, but this is going to be a beach bag. So I'm actually going on a trip soon, and I'm making like beach bags with items in it for the guests that are going. And it's supposed to be a surprise, but if they see this video, then surprise, surprise. So anyway, I said surprise, surprise, like a little song that's going around on the internet right now. If I can find a clip of it, I'll put it in there. But anyway, so this is one of the like little beach bags. Okay, so let's see what's in this one. And I'm also put what everything is as well. Okay. Oh, this is a beach towel. So this is a beach towel that's going to go in the beach bag. All right. So, oh my God. Another beach bag. I guess I should have did this review later. So it is another beach bag. Yeah. We are getting ready for the beach around here. That's one thing I love about Amazon. Amazon has anything and everything you can possibly imagine. Amazon has things that you didn't even know you needed. Okay, so what is this? This is, okay, I didn't have my glasses on. Oh, it's a bikini cover. So I'll put this, a picture of this as well so you can see it. Yeah, Amazon has things that you didn't even know you needed. Sometimes you're like, looking on Amazon, and you're like, wow, they even make that? Right. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, the first item is a men's barber set. So this is really good. I would believe this one like retailed for like $98, and it had a lot of different pieces, a lot of different attachments. So I will be giving this to my husband so he can test it out, and we'll leave a proper review. But just from the links that I saw and all the different things, I thought this was like a great item for us to review. Okay. If you are a homeowner, this plug right here is the truth. I have one of these already, so when I got an opportunity to get another, actually I have two. So when I got the opportunity to get another one to review, I said, okay, great. So what this is, it's a USB, it's an outlet, but you actually take, you have to have your electrician do this. This is, I wouldn't do it yourself. But you just take your old plug out and you will put this one in. So it has for two charges or two plugs, like the regular plugs that you normally have, like the 3-prong plug. But then it also has one for the USB-C and then the USB. So you can have 4 things like plugged up. And that USB-C, you know, the fast charger, I mean, it charges really, really fast. And you don't have to worry about a brick because a lot of times those blocks or those bricks cover up so much space. So like I said, I have one of these already. I have one in my kitchen. My older son has one, or my son has one in his room. So I don't know where we're going to put this one, but wherever we put it, you know, it will definitely be used. So I already recommend this. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay. Oh, this is a nice, so this is another beach bag. So we have like 3 beach bags so far. I don't know which one I'm going to keep, but you know, I have that one, this one, and then this one. So I don't know which one I'm going to keep for myself, but I'm definitely going to gift the other ones. Okay. And you probably wonder, like, how do you review something as a gift? You know, you definitely can review a gift. Okay, let's see what we have here. Sometimes they put a big box with really nothing in there. Oh, I think I know what this is. Okay. Just because of the size. So I know they were sending me a vase. Yes. And this is Mikasa. So yes, the Amazon does has luxury items or designer items. So this is a Mikasa vase. I mean, with a name, you know, something like Mikasa, like, it's already great. It's wonderful. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put this. I love it. The color, it has like some blue undertones, which of course that's what I have in my home. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I will put it somewhere. So I am happy about this. So yeah, a lot of times they'll send me things that are like a new product that they're just trying to see how the community enjoys it, how society enjoys it. Even if it's a name brand. I've gotten some really nice name brand things before. Okay, so this is oh my god, I've been waiting for this a long time. Okay. I was wondering what this was. Okay, let's open it up. It's heavy. I know what it is. And I'm not a big coffee drinker, but when I found out that they wanted to send me one of these, I said, you know, come on, because I'm not the only person in my home. Okay, I'm going to have to take it out. It's like Christmas around here. Okay. Yes, here we go, baby. This is it. So I'm definitely looking forward to. Oh, it's heavy too. I have to sit it down. So yeah, this is like an espresso machine. So you're a coffee person. If you have one of these, let me know. So I'm a tea drinker. I love my hot tea. But like I said, when they want to send me one of these, and I looked online, it was like $400 or $300 something. I said, okay, go ahead, send it to me. I can definitely review it and let you know what you think. Because all this stuff is mine. At the end of the day, I get to keep it. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. So you're probably wondering, like, how do you get involved with reviewing for Amazon or becoming an Amazon influencer? What I suggest you do is to start off by making reviews of everything you purchase. I don't care if it's a light bulb. I don't care if it's a pencil. If you just review anything and everything that you receive from Amazon that you purchase, just review it. Give it the stars. Say what it is. Make a nice headline for it. And then also, if you can, take a picture. I mean, it could be a pencil. It could be a light bulb. Take a picture of whatever it is and review it. And after a while, you know, you'll start building up things. Now, if you have a helpful review, they'll actually hit the like button on it and you like vote it as helpful. So once you get those helpful reviews and Amazon sees that, you can get invited to certain programs. I can't say the name of many of the things because it's kind of like secret or whatever, but Amazon has a lot of different programs. And I'm in, I want to say, I'm in the influencer program. I have an Amazon shop. I'm in the shopper program. And then I'm in 2 other programs that I can't say the name of it. But that's how I get all of this stuff. So definitely just start off by making reviews of anything and everything. I don't care if it's batteries. Review those things. Whatever purchases you can make them on Amazon and then review them. Because you can make a living, you know, with your Amazon things. There are so many things in my home that I can show you right now that I've obtained from Amazon, from light fixtures to decor pieces, definitely light fixtures, mirrors, furniture. I mean, I've gotten some very wonderful things from Amazon. So, yes. So if you have any more questions or any comments about this video or about Amazon in particular, leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to do a more in-depth video about Amazon, definitely leave that in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.